So this is Mr. Patrick Motsepe. This is the first black billionaire in South Africa. But what you don't know is Mr. Motsepe had a problem. You see, Mr. Motsepe came from humble beginnings and then eventually wakhula to becoming the richest person in South Africa. Ngo-1997, Mr. Patrick Motsepe wavula i-African Rainbow Minerals. La khona wahamba across South Africa, wathenga ama-mines ase-Strugglisha yasezovalwa, wawafaka under one name, and then wawa-appointa ukuthi bazodika for i-gold, i-platinum, i-iron ore, ne-magnesium. Ngokuhlakanipha kwakhe Mr. Motsepe, he knew ukuthi no, just owning ama-mines wouldn't be enough. So he went on to build political connection, to build business connection. He connected with many business moguls towards the growth of business lakhe. Connections were not enough. So, Mr. Motsepe decided ukuthi yazini yena nosisi wakhe bazokwenza uplan ukuthi Mr. Ramaphosa umkhulu wethu abe usibari. Yebo, Mr. Ramaphosa no Mr. Motsepe ba usibari. Cabanga ke nawe seniphethe umuntu president esewusibari. Cabanga izinto ezenzeka nangempela zenzeka because ama-connection aqala buildeka, amathenda aqala phuma, and then i-African Rainbow Minerals became the biggest mining company in South Africa. Once Mr. Motsepe finished building i-empire yakhe, he then decided ukuthi no man, I need to protect i-wealth yami. I need to make sure ukuthi i-empire ngiyakhile ngeke idibhizeke. And so he created i-Time Bank. Yebo, i-Time Bank is owned by Mr. Patrick Motsepe, but not for lezi izathu enitshena zona. The reason why avula i-Time Bank was to protect i-wealth yakhe. Because sizibuze one question, what is the one way to protect imali yakho? It is to make sure that you control the rules that govern i-country yakho, the rules that govern imali. And so i-Time Bank was born. Mr. Patrick Motsepe akamanga lapho. After becoming a business mogul, after becoming the most connected person in South Africa, he then went on to become a president CAF. Yes, he became the president of the Confederation of African Football. Yebo, that means he controls the biggest African league in South Africa, but he also owns a football team.